So one of my SMART goals is to get from approximately 230 pounds down to 150 pounds. And I had originally thought I would do alternate day fasting, which is what worked for me before. But with some recent health concerns, I have revised my plan. And first thing in the morning, this is ginger, so I will have a lemon ginger water, a half-quart jar of lemon ginger water. Then I will have that's French. Either this or this, one single serving, not a whole full bowl of it, a yogurt, and a piece of fruit. And I got where does it say lactose free in English? Oh yeah, lactose free milk. And then at lunch, I have mixed up grass-fed ground beef with taco seasoning, and I will have a romaine heart with some taco meat and Catalina dressing. So it's a whole romaine heart. And then for supper, I have homemade soup that has lots of vegetables in it and is very healthy. So that's my plan.